morning, guys. It's another bright and early day. It is about 10 a.m. here, so we got up a bit later today, and we are heading to the Lake Agnes trail, and then we are also going to be doing the little Beehive trail. So we're going to be doing those two trails, and then there's a little tea house at the top of the trail. So we are going to get on with going there today. Well, we made it to Mirror Lake. Absolutely sweating. It was about 2.7 kilometers to get here. Let's have a look around. So we just passed Mirror Lake, sat down for a bit, and now we are walking up to Lake Agnes, and then we will be connecting that hike to the little Beehive Hike, which will, I don't know, take us probably a few more hours, and then that's probably it. We'll probably call it a day from there. We are on the little Beehive trail, and it goes a few more kilometers, I think, from Lake Agnes, so we're just walking down there, enjoying this spectacular view. So I have made it to the big Beehive, the summit. About like 20 more steps and I will be up there. This definitely was not that hard of a hike though, compared to the sea level surf. That hike was insane. This one, you get out of breath slightly, but it's pretty easy to walk on compared to the other one. So yeah. So that is the end of the big Beehive hike. As you can see, absolutely gorgeous views. Probably better views than the Sea Cirque hike, and it was also a lot easier. So if you're looking kind of for a more rewarding hike and it's not as steep or difficult, definitely check out here. There's also really cute chipmunks that are up here, and I think people feed them. You're not supposed to though, and they're like super tame. They're also really fat, so pretty sure they get well fed, even though you are not supposed to, and you can get a huge fine if you do that. So
On the next episode, follow me as we explore the great ice fields of Alberta and see many glaciers. We will be exploring Athabasca Glacier and Angel Glacier. Will you be brave enough to do the polar plunge or climb a glacier with pickaxes? Make sure you subscribe to join me on this journey and leave your comment down below about anything you would like to know about traveling Alberta and if you have been previously to any of these amazing destinations.